Hey everyone! Are you dealing with watermarks on your videos? Stick with me to learn how to do this for free. Alright, let's get started. Head over to this website, called media.io. We'll be using it to remove the watermark from our videos. First, create a free account. You will see here sign in or sign up option to create account. It is not showing because I have already created. After creating an account, click on Get Started Free. Once, this screen will appear. You need to find Watermark Remover. Click on it to proceed. This tool is called an eraser, which is an AI watermark remover for images and videos. You can download this tool to your PC, but for now, we're going to try it online. Here, you'll see different options like Image or Video Object Remover, TikTok Watermark Remover, and Image Text Remover. We're going to stick with the first one. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Next, click on the Upload Here button or drag and drop your video file. After uploading, you'll see a brush like this. You can adjust the brush size according to your needs. Now, select the area with the watermark that you want to remove. Then click on Remove Objects Now. The tool will take a few minutes to process. And there you have it. After a couple of minutes, the processing is done. You can now watch or download the video without the watermark. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.